You know my culture bossy and my people in bossy, alright? So let's start bossiness. So the red kettle, right? My house is all red, my kitchen is red. I'm a fan of a red kitchen. So the red kettle, what is that? $15, right? So you're gonna red up the thing right now, right? And so we look down this aisle, don't see anything that we're interested in. And so we go down this aisle, and so we get the red can opener. Maybe you have a can opener in your kitchen, maybe you don't, but we're definitely going to red it up with the red blender, only $30-something, right? And what else you can have red? You can have the microwave red. I'm not really in the microwave section right now. You have the microwave red. And there's a Hamilton Beach, a pretty big one, that costs about $80. But anyways, we go a red toaster in the kitchen, right? And so you could combine a bunch of red appliance and make an excellent Christmas gift is what I'm saying. So we know we are all about the style and all about the fashion. You can buy a red plate set to go with that and make an excellent gift for mama or for that special someone for the Christmas holiday. Red trail still. And so I generally get my knife sets in red from like Ross. It's a little less expensive. I would have maybe saved $10 or so. But I would maybe have a little bit less sturdy of an item. The scissors section, the foil section would definitely not have that. So this is a good buy. It's $50. But I want to show you the red microwave. This is a mainstay. We don't really buy mainstay appliance, but Hamilton Beach is like entry level in a red, and this is definitely the one that I would recommend if you're on a budget and you want to red up the kitchen. It's $70. Now, if you buy all of these pieces, you want to get a deal, you call us, you ask to speak to Kevin, tell me that you bought the red stuff on my recommendation, and I will work out a 30% discount for you. Yeah, I said that, a 30% discount. You get a cutting board with the red edges. You want to make your kitchen all red? Go for it. I'll help you out.